Hi, I'm Dr. Jeremy Anclam with Gastroenterology and the Froedtert and the Medical College of Wisconsin Health System. I received my training in the Flint, Michigan area at Genesis Regional Medical Center. I did both my residency in internal medicine there as well as my fellowship for gastroenterology. In our gastroenterology department, we are seeing adult patients from 18 years and up. We're typically seeing these patients for a number of ailments of the gastrointestinal tract. We see patients for symptoms such as gastroesophageal reflux, issues with their bowels, conditions such as ulcerative colitis and Crohn's disease. And we also see hepatology patients, so we also follow patients for diseases of the liver. In my practice, I see patients with all different types of GI ailments, so we're a general gastroenterology practice. However, I do very much enjoy seeing patients with inflammatory bowel disease. I find those patients to be very interesting, and they can be very challenging as well. In my practice as a gastroenterologist, I really like to work with my patients. I try to work with them in developing treatment plans, and I like to educate them so that they understand their disease process and why we're making the decisions that we're making. But I definitely like to do it together. As a gastroenterologist, I get to work with all types of different people with different disease processes. And to say the best thing about working as a gastroenterologist is getting to meet all the different people that I see as my patients. As I was being educated in medicine as a medical student, I decided upon going into internal medicine with a focus on gastroenterology just because I thought that the disease processes in the world of gastroenterology and hepatology were so interesting. When patients come to see me in my gastroenterology practice, they should know that I like to really focus on them, as a patient, but also as a person. I try to have good relationships with all of my patients. Patients should also know that we have an excellent staff and that they're going to be well cared for, from the patient who rooms them up to the provider that they get to see in the office. Besides gastroenterology, the other things I enjoy doing in my life is, anything I can with my family. I have, two growing children and a wonderful wife, so I like to do anything that they'll do with me, but I also enjoy mountain biking and skiing.